So today we are going to spray with our isobus sprayer inside these fields, which we've done the pre-planning in. So what we need to do is to mount our isobus sprayer, what we already did. So we need to go to the machine garage, which is inside the settings, and see if the ISO sprayer pops up there. So we press on the settings down here, we press on the machine garage on the top left, and inside the machine garage we press on the tractor mount equipment on the back. The sprayer is mounted on the back, so we press on it and we see down here we got our isobus machine right here. All the other machines are self-made, so non-ISO, but the one on the bottom, the sprayer, that's an isobus machine. It only shows up down here if the machine is really connected to the isobus. So we cannot delete it. It will delete itself when it's disconnected again. So we select the sprayer down here, press the green check mark, and what we see, we got a Puma and we got a sprayer mounted right now. Guidance weight 27 meters. That's all good, so we're good to go. Press the green check mark, we press on the field, and we make a new job by pressing the arrow to the right. New job. We don't select an operation plan. We give the job a name, herbicides 22. It is the second time spraying, so let's go to the arrow on the right. It's the third time spraying, so change that. Arrow on the right. You want to give it a default rate. 0 is not very much, so we'll change that to, let's say, 200. Today we don't use an RX map. Press on the arrow and we are in the field. So first thing CR12 asks you is which line you want to use, and we will use line number D. So we press that down here and you will get your first line with a half of your sprayer width from the side of the field. So we're all set up, good to go. We'll push on our master switch, so that will be green. It will not start spraying yet, so we're not in the boundary. So once we've entered it, the sprayer will turn on and we'll start to spray. So you will see your nozzles here and the split screen. So you see your isobus, you see your sprayer, and you see where you're spraying down here. So here's the 200 liters a hectare, which we just set up, and there we are spraying. So we can change our view, zoom out a little bit so we see our whole sprayer, and as you can see, all the sections are turned green, coming back in this widget. So the system is all up and running. Coverage is green, that means the rate is also correct.